Does anyone know what time it is? All my watches seem to be broken. What if we just made our own? Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and today we're making the Time Tinkerer. Say that 5 times fast. Did you know that before clocks were invented, people used the moon's phases to keep track of time? Eventually, we used the sun and its shadows and created the sundial. Civilizations have also used candle clocks, water clocks, and eventually the pendulum clock. But today, let's 3D print a clock. I'm late. Let's tell time. No time to waste. Let me show you what's inside. We have the movement piece. This is what makes your clock work. We have 2 washers and 2 hex nuts, and the boards to hold your clock. Let me show you how to build your Time Tinkerer. First, carefully pop out the 2 board pieces from their frame. Next, you'll need to print the motor house and 1 stand. We've got a few to pick from, so pick your favorite. From there, simply insert the rectangular board into the slot of the other board. Make sure the board sticks all the way through to the other side, as shown here. Place the boards onto the printed stand, and we've got our clock base ready to go. Next, grab the movement piece or motor and add a AA battery so our clock can get turning. Insert the motor into the motor house and then slide it onto the base. Now, let's head over to the creator space for some extra customization. We're going to need a clock face and hands. Pick from one of our pre-made faces or create your own. Click Custom Clock Face to get started. From here, you can pick your style and then fully customize your clock face. Maybe you want to draw your own numbers. Get creative. You can create shapes, type numbers, or freehand draw. Once you're happy, pick a color and print your clock face. Next, choose from one of our pre-made clock hands, or draw your own. Make sure to print an hour and a minute hand. What fun ideas can you come up with? Once you have your printed pieces, we can assemble our clock. We'll need a washer and a hex nut. Place the clock face onto the motor, add the washer, and then the hex nut. You should be able to tighten it by hand until the clock face is secure. Next, attach the hour hand, which will clip into place. Then, the minute hand on top. And that's it! Your clock is ready to tell time. If you need to adjust the time, on the back of the motor is a small dial. Turn the dial to move the hands to the correct time. I'll be counting down the minutes until I can see what you make with your Time Tinkerer Play Pack. Where will you put your Time Tinkerer?